Quadriceps femoris is a group of 4 muscles present in the interior compartment of the thigh. These 4 muscles include 3 vastus muscle, that is Vastus Medialis Muscle, Vastus intermedius, and Vastus lateralis muscle. The 4th muscle of this group is rectus femoris muscle. The rectus femoris muscle is present superficial to the vastus intermedius muscle. So if I remove it, then deep to this is present the vastus intermedius muscle. These 4 muscles are commonly called quad muscles. The word quad is a Latin word which means 4. So the name quadriceps femoris muscle gives us clue that it contains 4 muscles. The first muscle in quadriceps femoris is the vastus medialis muscle. It originates from a continuous line of attachment on a femur bone, which begins anterior-medially on the intertrochanteric line and continues posterior-inferiorly along the pectinal line and descend along the medial lip of the linea aspera and on the medial supracondylar line. This is isolated femur bone with the interior view. Now on the anterior-medial view, this is the intertrochanteric line from where the origin of the vastus medialis muscle began. Now in the posterior view, this is the pectinal line. This is the linea aspera. And as you can see, there are 2 lips of the linea aspera, the medial one and the lateral one. And then below to it, this is the medial supracondylar line. And all these lines, including the intertrochanteric line, is related to the origin of the vastus medialis muscle. As you can see, this whole red is the origin of the vastus medialis muscle. Now make things easy for yourself. Just remember the intertrochanteric line and the medial lip of the linea aspera is the origin point of the vastus medialis muscle. After origination, the fiber converge on the patella bone and insert on the medial border of the patella bone. This is the patella bone and this is the medial border of the patella bone, where the vastus medialis muscle is inserted. A ligament called the patellar ligament connects the patella bone to the tibial tuberosity. So we can say that the vastus medialis muscle is inserted on the medial border of the patella bone and the tibial tuberosity of the tibia bone via the patellar ligament. The vastus medialis muscle is innervated by femoral nerve. Femoral nerve has 3 nerve roots, L2, L3 and L4. The main innervation to the vastus medialis muscle is L3 and L4. L2 has minor contribution in the innervation of the vastus medialis muscle. The main action of the vastus medialis muscle is on the knee joint, and it makes sense. The muscle only crosses the knee joint. Since this muscle passes anterior to the knee joint, it is inserted on the patella bone and through the patellar ligament on the tibial tuberosity. So its main action is the extension of the leg at the knee joint. And it makes sense. If the knee is flexed, then contraction of this muscle will pull the tibia in this direction. Next, I will discuss the vastus intermedius muscle. Thank you.